Here are 3 ways to add your resume to LinkedIn, each for different reasons. Method 1. Uploading your resume to LinkedIn's database. Method 1 for uploading your resume to LinkedIn will lead recruiters right to it when they search and view profiles through LinkedIn's hiring tools. From the Me drop-down menu, go to Settings and Privacy, then Data Privacy. Scroll down to the Job Seeking Preferences section and click on Resumes and Job Applications Data. Here, you can upload your general resume. On top, you'll see a toggle option to share your resume data with LinkedIn recruiters. Toggle that on so your profile shows up when recruiters search for those matching qualifications. Method 2. Adding a resume when you're applying for a job through LinkedIn's Easy Apply. Even though you can just select the resume you previously uploaded from the first method, we recommend using a tailored resume here so you're actually targeting the job you're applying to. A targeted resume is a tailored version of your resume written specifically for the job that you're applying for. It highlights the skills, qualifications, and keywords that directly match the requirements on the job posting. You can make these tailored adjustments on a separate document from your main resume. Method 3. Showcasing your resume directly on your profile. The last method is a bit of a cool profile hack, and it gives your resume a prime seating on your LinkedIn profile. Go to your profile and click Add Section. Then go to the Recommended drop-down and click on Add Featured. Then press the plus icon and go to Add a Document to upload your resume. Give it a title and optional description, and there you go. Since this makes your resume visible to everyone, make sure to remove personal information like your phone number, address, and email. You definitely don't want that creepy intern from 2 years ago sending you a "let's grab coffee" text. And for your LinkedIn profile, while it should match your resume with work dates, education, and skills, there's so much more you can showcase on your actual profile, such as adding more experiences and bullet points because you're not limited to one page, showcasing your actual work from that job in the form of documents, images, videos, or presentations, adding skills tags to each role so recruiters can easily find you, and including recommendations from past managers and colleagues on your profile. Do them a solid and offer to also write them one when asking. But aside from your resume, recruiters often see your About section on LinkedIn first. Don't worry, we got you. Click on this video here to know what you should and shouldn't write and how you can give people a reason to connect with you. If you want a new resume or need to refresh one for LinkedIn, we've got everything you need, from free templates to job-tailored examples at resumegenius.com. Catch you next time.